What is going on, Shib Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today, we're going to talk about Shiba Inu and the overall cryptocurrency market correction. Again, folks, for any healthy market, for it to continue to have a bull run, we need to see days for corrections, which become entry points for new investors to get in on the market. So remember, I want to preface by saying that I am not a financial advisor. Rather, I always try to put you guys on the plays that I'm in. So currently, as we see the overall market slightly correct, including SHIB, I understand, especially for Shiba Inu, it's been rough. It's been really tough because we thought, right around 600 Satoshis, 60,000 Satoshis, excuse me, we were consolidating nicely. And it seems like the downtrend continues and continues and continues. But I always tell everybody, make sure you're looking at when you look at the market, don't only look at the 1 minute, don't look at the 4 hour, don't look at the 1 day chart either. Always zoom out a second, look at the 1 month chart, look at the 3 month chart. Pay attention to see how far we've come. If we break certain support lines, then sure, it's time to potentially get worried. But for me right now, we're still holding strong right around that 48, 4,900. We dipped there today. So now we've established a new level of support at 4,800 or 48,000 Satoshi units. Meaning, right now as an entry point, I'm looking to buy more at these levels, at 48,000 Satoshis. But always remember, we can't predict what the market's going to do the next day, but we can look at previous patterns and try to see if the same thing happens time and time again. So the reason I'm not worried at all for SHIB is the overall market today is undergoing a slight correction. We're seeing everything between 3 to 5%. And again, that's pretty typical. It is very typical of the market, especially when we're talking crypto. Now, I want to mention a couple things, of course, in the description below. One is Patreon. We just hit 1,000 Patreon members. So if you want to be a part of a community of investors who are trying to become a little bit better at investing than they are already, like-minded individuals that are looking for the freedom of generational wealth to not have to worry about money, hopefully in the future, this is a good space to be. You get all my buy alerts, and hopefully you'll be a part of our DD calls, which are once a week, which I'm transitioning to doing 3 times a week. So make sure you check out the link in the description for the Patreon. Come check it out, have some good conversations and see what you think. And also there's a link down there for Webull. Make sure you get your 2 free stocks and $5 worth of free Shiba Inu when you deposit 1 penny into your Webull brokerage account. This interesting article came out saying Shiba Inu coin trading frenzy could help lift Coinbase out of its third quarter funk. So as you guys know, Coinbase just reported its third quarter earnings. And again, it didn't exceed expectations. It actually fell below expectations. Reported a $1.24 billion in revenue in the third quarter that ended September 30th, falling short of the 1.57, which was projected, and $2 billion that was recorded in the second quarter. So again, what does this mean? It looks to me that because Shiba Inu was added more recently to Coinbase, fourth quarter earnings reports might be very impressive for Coinbase. And again, a lot of other brokerages are looking at the same thing. Same thing for Robinhood. It's going to give appeal, in fact, because if you look through their numbers, you can kind of dive in and see how much of the revenue from the third quarter. But remember, SHIB was only added in September, so there wasn't enough trading to actually impact its earnings reports, because SHIB's bull run actually started occurring here in the fourth quarter of 2021 in October. So again, what I believe is the fact that right now Shiba Inu is correcting and the overall market is correcting, this is an opportunity. It's presenting an opportunity for you to potentially get position in the tokens that you really like. So I've talked about a lot of recent tokens, and for me, it's been holding or adding more to my portfolio because I believe in these tokens. I believe in their vision. And again, I really do think that these are tokens that are going to do really well over the next couple months to potentially going on to next year and beyond. It all depends on if they can deliver on their roadmap. We know Saitoshi's coming out with a hopefully soon medium update. He said as late as tomorrow to give us all what is happening within the Shiba Inu token ecosystem, the new gaming studio that they're working with, updates on that, and to continue to clear FUD, of course. So that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you all so much for tuning in. And make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And until next time, everybody, keep investing. Peace.